Kind of a little bit stressed. Well, okay. Have you taken any kind of like last minute orders? Well, you don't really want to, but you take it anyway. Anyway, we'll get into that later. Well, I don't know if you can relate, but it's one of those things where I don't really want to do it, but okay, I guess I'll do it anyway. Just because you and and then we're gonna do reflection at the end and then see how I don't know how we're gonna feel at the end. So, but yeah, um, so I committed already. It's like, okay, we're gonna do this, but it's thing like they thought it's gonna be like, oh, it's like one of those things like, can you do it like the next day? Because I really want it. Um, so yeah, but I'm already committed. A little bit stressed because it's a little bit last minute. I mean, but we're gonna do it anyway. I mean, what is last minute? It's so I think it's doable. Okay, like it's tomorrow. I still have it. Like this is at night, right? So tomorrow I still have like the whole day. The whole day to do it, and then I think you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. It's not like a full cake. It's actually cupcakes. So yeah, it's not so bad that, by the time I finish baking, making the buttercream and then piping this cupcakes, I actually felt like, getting into the groove again, and then it's actually enjoyable. So yeah, it's going to be 24 cupcakes. 12 cupcakes are the funfetti one, and then the other one are the chocolate one. And I decided to, pipe this flower. It's something kind of like just simple, the ruffle one there, and then a rosette, of course, and also that hydrangea one that basically all is using a star tip that I don't have to change any, piping tips, and it's gonna be just like piping it throughout like that. So yeah. And the next one are the chocolate cupcakes. And I thought in between, I was like, well, I'm just gonna use this time, might as well to use it as like creating content, right? I don't know. But like, that's why we're putting it on the nice plating instead of that plastic container for creating videos because, well, presentation is everything, right? So you haven't noticed that you start from the center if you want to create a rosette with this 1M piping tip. And then if you want to create a ruffle, you start from the edge and then going slowly toward the center and then stop on the top like that. And for the hydrangea one, you basically press and release each time that you put a spot, and then just cover that whole thing, and then you're pretty much good. I'm really loving this combination. It looks so pretty and it's so simple to make. And just, yeah, before you pipe, just make sure that you have enough of the piping. I think this is gonna be the last one that I can pipe, that ruffle. I hope I have enough. Yep. Okay, great. I have enough for that one. And yeah, yay. The buttercream is so good. I actually like it in between. And then the combination of the flour is also good. And yeah, so basically I am having quite a bit of fun while I'm piping this because it's always I'm having a lot of fun once I get into the groove of cake decorating. I think once after the baking and then the decorating part, a lot of times of course, like if there are troubles, like I'm not enjoying that. But this one, it's like actually quite successful, I'll say. There is no mishap or big mishap. And then some of the cupcake, I don't know if you can notice that I actually put kind of an ombre color. There's like a little bit of white, and it's pretty. And for the kind of like the next 3 cupcakes, I'm just gonna put it directly on the plastic, whatever, it's fine. That, yeah, just creating a rosette. And this one's starting from the edge, so we're gonna create a ruffle. I kept forgetting, like, okay, so center rose, the edge is the ruffle. Sometimes I was like, I want to create a rosette, and then I start from the edge. No, the edge for the ruffle, and then the center rose. I wonder, like, if we can, like, how do we remember that? Like, CR, center rose? I don't know. If you have ideas, let me know. But yeah, the hydrangeas, then, start piping like that. And then I thought, like, ooh, maybe I can start, like, putting it double layer, like some on the top. But it looks pretty too, like some of the double layer like that on the left bottom there. Like, it looks a little bit fuller, kind of, and yeah, loving it. And the chocolate, usually for the cupcakes, I actually have it like filled, so like I need to create a hole and then fill it. But like this one, I don't feel like it. Just leave it like that, and it's gonna be delicious anyway. And then just putting it back in the plastic container, because I made a mistake. I made a business mistake that I bought a ton of this plastic container, and I don't want to return it. It looks kind of like, the grocery kind. It's not like, it doesn't look the most elegant. It doesn't look elegant, but anyhow, we're doing it. If you're like me, you're not good at piping letters, this is like pretty good. It's the mold for the letters, and then you just put like melted chocolate, like any color of melted chocolate, and then make sure you tap it, and then it's gonna create this like letters. And it has like double, so that I make double so that if I make a mistake, I'm warming up over there, because sometimes it got clogged. So yeah, I make this double A, so that if I might make a mistake, I have like another one. I'm so happy that they do that, because like things can go wrong, sometimes, like you need to have an extra. So that's what I did. And okay, might as well, I'm telling you what happened. So it's basically the customer, or quote unquote customer, and the client is actually my kid, my youngest one, my oldest one. So we thought this is that for her birthday treat to school, it's gonna be just a donut. We're gonna go to like a donut shop, and then that's what we did last year. Like I don't know. Like, you got to tell me like a week before, like if you want me to bake something, like for your friends, like not like the night before. But anyway, like in the process while I'm making this, well, okay, she didn't do it the night before. If she do it the night before, I'm like, no way. I still have like, she did it like, I still have like the day before to actually prep for everything. So yeah, which is good. That otherwise I'm gonna be like super pissy at her. And it's like, no, I'm just not gonna do it. But it's she still gave me some time, so it was like, okay, like I don't feel like it. I guess that's maybe the downside, being a member family of a baker, that you don't always get like a full decorated cake. At least that's we're not doing it for her birthday. I mean, we're not gonna have a party or anything. Basically, just gonna be the treats for your school, and then that's it. And yeah, I don't know. I listen to school kind of like, I don't know. That's what with my kids. I don't know. You as a baker, do you full decorate your thing for your kids? In the past, I did, but I'm getting like lazier. It's like I just want to come something a little bit simpler. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, she's just not getting a cake this year, so the cupcake with her name, that's plenty. The cupcake that she got for her, like the class, and then the special cupcake for her is that she's gonna be able to put her name and the letter there. So yeah, I think that's awesome, right? And then I actually, when she comes home, I actually let her to put this on top of the cupcake that she chose. So she chose the design, which one that she want to put, and then she decided, oh yeah, like as well. I thought she's gonna choose Rosette or the hydrangea one. Apparently, she chose the ruffle one, but yeah. And I think that's fun enough, like just kind of like pick your special cupcake and then like put it there. And that's what she did. She did that, and then she put she put her age, and that's giving her special cupcake. I think that's pretty cool. And then she got her the most favorite gift from grandma, the Demon Hunter sweatshirt. And then at night, happened on her birthday, like the school night is the roller skating night, which is perfect. Overall, how I felt afterwards was that after, she brought it to school, like she's excited. And I know this is not like an official order or whatever, but like it's still like a request, like it's still like almost like last minute request, very last minute. I'm hoping that she can plan better next time, that she need to be able to tell me. It makes us to have that conversation to, okay, Alice, like you gotta like tell mama like a week before, or like, so that I have time to prep the ingredients, like, buy the ingredients, because I don't always have the ingredients on hand. And at the end, actually her teacher said that it's one of like it's the best cupcake that she ever had. Like, so that made me really happy to hear that.